Yeah, man, I see that little clip of me I pray. And I have to laugh when I see that little clip because it's like I second clip this me I see. With that little man, and I tell you each time I see them clip about me just laugh. Yo, me I tell you, I Freddy him man name. The man happy to see him boss, brother. Happy. Yo, anytime you see them man, they're always happy. Come like I name Happy Fred. Yeah man. Anytime you see man, them man they're always happy. Happy Fred me I call him. Yo, me I tell you brother. When the man see him boss man, the man thing turn up. Man thing loud. The thing bust louder than a cannon. Yo, me I tell you. The man full of vibe when the man see him party. Man glad you know some party come from foreign brother. I tell you, but here what I go on. But I say nothing more no. I go just make him talk and tell you what I go on and show how happy he really is when he see him party, you know. Yeah, and some man, yo, me I tell you, the man respect him party to him bone. So just look and see what I go on.
People watch this.
My brethren, they'll be our going, my boy. Years at the hand, me can't do stop, boy, me can't see my brethren. Oh, God. In the place, man. And my sister said somebody come to me, me no know, I'm glad for you.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, foreign.
Very good man. Go on.
Not even $1.
A long time, you know.
Long.
About 2 years now?
Yeah, I'm in the place.
Yeah.
My brethren, them.
So where you come from a while ago?
Go there, so go look what play. Me lose the 150 that. My sister said somebody come
Yeah.
me in there and she said, when me come out, Rupert, at that time here. Me vex.
Come and call you a while ago.
Me inside.
Yeah.
Never know nothing.
Ja. Yeah, come call you and your sister say you never
And
there.
last night,
Yeah.
from yesterday, Rupert, I say you're there,
Yeah.
and look how last time out there.
Ja.
Not even $1, my
But
brother.
you wear the clothes them with the kill
Yeah,
last time, man.
man.
All the shoes you wear.
Yeah. Everything.
Yeah, man, you still have
never
everything.
bring back nothing.
Eh? You mean I bring back nothing?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I bring back something for you, man. Yeah, my friend, you know, I have to bring back something for you.
Alright,
Yeah, man, I have to bring back something for you, man. But you wear the clothes them nice, man.
Yeah, man, them in there. I keep them clean because my mother wash them.
Yeah, all the shoes, you need a different shoes, man.
Yeah, that one,
The one that,
mash up.
ja. The one that mash up. Ja.
Uncle, you could have do something for me, my boy.
I know, I can always do something for you, see me?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
man,
I
I
know
always,
you a long
always.
time, my
Of course.
boy.
I'm a little say you know me, you know.
I'll come back down the road.
Yeah, you know what I say, man? I have something for you, man.